Hello. Okay, so here is the STEM case, and there is no Google Doc because everything is going to be um, in this STEM case. So click on it, and you'll want to launch it.
Welcome to ExploreLearning
No,
STEM.
we don't want the preview. We want to launch. And the handbook will be right in it. Welcome to the Chemical and Physical Changes STEM case. You click when ready. So it tells us, introduction. You are a forensic scientist. Okay, what does that mean? So select orange terms to see their definition in the glossary. So if I click on it, it's going to take me to a glossary. Then it's going to tell me forensic scientists are scientists who use evidence to find out what happened in a crime. Okay, and then here is a bunch of other terms as you're reading that you might need a definition for. Okay, so you are a forensic scientist working for the Secret Service Laboratory. The Secret Service was established in 1865. It investigates the counterfeiting or faking of United States money. So then I hit next. Last week, Secret Service agents got a tip about a criminal group. These criminals were making fake coins. And you see how it like glows? That's where I want to click. So I click on that. And a little video is playing. Is it going to show us anything? I don't know. And you can kind of hear the music in the background. Sets a mood. Yeah, I probably want to turn that down a little bit. Okay, and notice as everywhere it wants me to go, it'll either point or kind of like glow. So here it's like glowing gray. The agents searched the suspect's warehouse. Okay, so evidence one. The Secret Service found coins that look like $50 gold coins from the year 1915. If the coins were real, they would be worth $25,000 each. Whew. They also found copper and silver coins that looked like the gold coins. There were blank copper coins and chemicals. They also found a machine that can make coins look like the 1915 coins. The gold coins were cut in half. The inside of the coins were copper, not gold. This means the gold coins are fake. The suspects may have changed copper coins to look silver, then changed the silver-looking coins to look gold. Okay, how would they do that? So, it says prepare for your investigation. So, as a forensic scientist, your job is to find out how the suspects make the fake coins. You need to research the properties of matter for your investigation. Okay, so now it's going to ask you to go to that handbook. The handbook, it has it as a separate tab when you open up like the STEM case, but you'll just access it or enter it through the STEM case. Okay, so then you go to the handbook. That's going to take you through properties of matter. It says use the arrows to move through the pages. Click here to begin. The suspects changed the matter of the coins to make them look silver and gold. What is matter? So it tells us matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Examples of matter, the child, the bike, the air. Okay, this is review, right? The sunlight is not matter because it does not have weight, it does not take up space. Now, where do I go? Oh, here. So for a second, I was like, I don't know where I'm supposed to click. But I looked for that glowing, and this time it was this arrow down here. Choose all of the examples below that are made of matter. Okay, this has mass of 0 grams of fire. No. Plants and the rock. And I hit submit. All right. Okay, so you're going to work your way through. Once you get through all of this and you do the review, then it's going to take you back to the case. Keep working through, okay? You're going to get credit for all of the activities that you do, okay? And yes, when it asks you to write something, yes, I want you to write something. So I would say today in class, you should get through. Ooh, these are the atoms of a solid. They're way too tiny to see. There are over 100 different atoms. Oh, we learned about this. Different atoms are called elements. More review. The periodic table of elements. Take a closer look at oxygen. The 8th element is oxygen, which is represented by the letter O. Okay. Oh, atoms join together to make molecules. Make a molecule. Boom. Bond. So before it was 2 atoms, atoms are held together by bonds. Some great review here. Some molecules are made of the same element. Aluminum lid is made of many aluminum atoms bonded together. The air in this beaker has oxygen molecules that are made of 2 oxygen atoms. Different elements. Some molecules are made of different elements. Compounds like NaCl. Salt has sodium and chlorine atoms. The atoms are organized in a repeating pattern. And water has hydrogen and oxygen atoms. There's a diamond structure. The structure of a diamond is stiff, so atoms cannot move. Or some things are like a rubber structure. The structure in a rubber band is very loose, so the atoms can move. This is why rubber bands can stretch and bend. Bloop, bloop, bloop. It's kind of cool. Okay, and then it's going to take you through physical changes and mixing matter and chemical changes and so on. Okay, once you're done with all of this handbook, you can go back to the case. Okay, then you're going to go to the next evidence, then the data. Okay, when you get down to some of these, yes, you do need to write. But I would say today, for the first day, you should get, I would say, down through at least experiment 1. Get through the case, get through the handbook, get through the first experiment. Some of you might get completely done. I will have to hand grade your written assignments, so you'll have to wait for that. Otherwise, just keep working.